Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. My name is Zainul Mohideen and my roll number is BP1650260. Today I will present you essential tremors. So let's start. Essential tremors is a nervous system or neurological disorder that causes involuntary and rhythmic shaking. M- It is like your hand will be shake and this kind of thing. It can affect almost any part of your body, but the trembling occurs most often in your hand. It means that it can occur anywhere or any part of your body, but it mostly occur in your hands. Causes of essential tremor. The basic cause of essential tremor is unknown. Essential tremor is unknown. However, some theories are like cerebellum and the other parts of your body or your brain is are not communicating correctly. That's why it occurs. The symptoms of essential tremors. First of all, you have to understand that the patient will experience these five kind of signs. Tremors occurs when you move and are less noticeable when you are rest. Yani if you are moving your hands, you will feel the tremors, or if you are resting, you cannot feel that in that frequency. Certain medicines, caffeine, or stress may can make your tremors worse. And if you are on certain medications or you are taking caffeine in a high ratio, so you will feel the tremors very worse. Tremor may improve with ingestion of a small amount of alcohol. If you are alcoholic person, you will feel the tremor. Uh, Now tremors get worse as you age. If you are adult patient, you will feel this tremors more. Tremor don't affect both sides of your body in the same way. Either both side means that left side or right side. It might occur left side or it might occur in the right side. Now the sign of the essential tremor that are most obvious in your hands. Yani it is obvious on your hands. Difficulty doing tasks with your hand, such as writing or using tools. If you are grabbing any tool, you will feel that your hands are shaking or sound in your voice. Yani if you're talking to someone, your voice will be like shaking, yeah, and you can't spell words correctly. Uncontrollable head nodding, yani there's a pain in your head. In rare intense tremor in your legs or feet, yani your legs will feel the tremors. Now the diagnosis. There is the, yani you can diagnose your essential tremors by symptoms or neurological exams. There is no specific blood, urine, or other tests used to diagnose essential tremor. Yani there is no blood, urine test for essential tremors. Yani you have to diagnose it by the neurological exams. Now the treatment. You can use beta blockers such as propranolol, anticonvulsants, primidone, or benzodiazepines such as alprazolam for the cure of essential tremors. Now the case study of essential tremors. There's a case that KH is a 52 years old female officer manager who was referred to a neurologist for evaluation of tremor. She is otherwise healthy and report not taking any regularly prescribed medication. She describes her tremor as being present mainly when she performs voluntary movement. The tremor is not noticeable during rest. She also notices the tremor seems to disappear in the evening after the drinking a couple of glass of wine. That means she is an alcoholic patient. The tremor interferes with several of her activity during life, including writing, eating, drinking from a cup, and inserting her keys into the ignition while she was driving. She reports mild interference with her job function and some social embarrassment. No bradykinesia or rigiding is elicited on physical examination. Handwriting examples reveal a large characteristic that difficult to decipher. Family history reveals that her maternal grandmother and mother both had similar symptoms. What sign and symptoms are consistent with essential tremor in QH? Now the soap notes. First, I will perform with subjectives. She is a 52 years female. Her complaint is describe her tremor as being present mainly when she performs voluntary. If she is doing voluntary movement, she feel that tremors. Family history: her mother and grandmother has similar symptoms of tremors. Now the objective. Objective is that no bradykinesia or rigidity is elicited on physical examination. Now, the assessment, she's suffering from essential tremor because the symptoms are indicating me that she is suffering from essential tremors, and we also perform the handwriting test. Now, the plan. KH is healthy. She is healthy. So, I will give her beta blocker, that is propanolol. She should begin with one half of a 20 milligram tablet, that is 10 milligram, administered 30 minutes to 1 hour before the desired effect. I can increase the dose to one half to two tablets. She is probably a better candidate for a suppressive therapy with propanolol. If she is feeling this condition or in this situation, I will prescribe 10 milligram twice daily, and I can titrate every few days up to 120 to 360 milligram per day in divided dose. So this condition is totally on her um, her condition. So that's all, ma'am. This is the end of my presentation. I hope it will be informative for us. May Allah increase our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.